Ever wondered what would really happen if you took on a 7-day digital minimalism challenge? Join me as I dive headfirst into a full week without endless scrolling and distractions, documenting every struggle, win, moment of joy, and those surprising before and after screen time stats. Ready to transform your digital habits? Day 1. Awareness and intention. I wake up and instead of reaching for my phone, I pause. For the first time in months, I feel the urge to check my notifications, but I resist, reminding myself of the greater goal: mindful digital balance and intentional engagement. Struggle. The itch to scroll is real, but I jot down my intentions in a journal. Win. Screen time drops by 22% on day 1. Day 2. Declutter and organize. I audit my phone, deleting low-value apps and turning off non-essential notifications. Struggle. Letting go of certain apps feels like parting with old friends. Win. Fewer distractions, more present moment awareness. I even enjoy a short walk, tech-free. Day 3. Digital boundaries. I set strict boundaries for tech use, designating phone-free zones and times. Struggle. The urge to check emails after dinner. Win. Family game night with 0 digital interruptions. Day 4. JOMO. Joy of missing out. Instead of FOMO, I embrace JOMO. I savor offline experiences, reading, meditating, and spending quality time outdoors. Struggle. Missing updates from friends. Win. More authentic living and restful sleep. Day 5. Mindful moments. I incorporate mindful scrolling, asking, why am I picking up my phone, before unlocking the screen. Struggle. Mindless habits die hard, especially during downtime. Win. Catching myself before spiraling into digital rabbit holes. Balanced productivity increases. Day 6. Reflection and connection. Reflective practice leads to major insights about my digital habits. I reach out for a real conversation with a friend, offline. Struggle. Feeling a bit isolated at times. Win. Deeper conversations, more genuine connection. Day 7. The big reveal. The final day. I review my screen time stats. My phone usage dropped by 38% over the week. My mental health feels lighter, and I'm more present in every moment. Before-after screen time stats. Day 1, screen time, 4 hours, 15 minutes. Day 7, screen time, 2 hours, 37 minutes. Total decrease, 38%. 3 actionable tips for your own digital minimalism challenge. 1. Audit and declutter apps. Remove any apps that don't serve a clear, positive purpose. 2. Set clear boundaries. Establish phone-free zones and times for deeper focus and authentic living. 3. Practice digital mindfulness. Pause before picking up your device and check in with your intention. Are you ready to take on your own digital minimalism journey? Hit like, subscribe, and share if you want more mindful living content. Try the challenge with me, and let me know your results in the comments. Remember, stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.